You know, let me tell you so. Not tell you take out. This life we dey so, na jungle. The jungle we say, no mama, no papa, no brother, no sister. But listen to me. As long as we don't come together, I know you, I know this guy, you know me. You understand? Now the same desert, now we pass. Come this place. Listen to me. Listen. Calm down. Hey, calm down. Wait. Hey. We pass desert. That desert you see, so where we pass, na very dangerous place for human being to pass. But me and you, we survive. You know, say many people they die for desert. Listen to me. Many people they die. Why you know that? Because you now choosing person. You know your time to die for desert. You understand what I mean? We pass desert, we reach Libya. Libya now trouble zone. Where you carry gun, fight everywhere. Many people they die for Libya. Many brothers and sisters they die for Libya. But you know that okay, you can't pass Libya, you can't enter water. That one and the Mediterranean Sea. Another dangerous place is that you pass on top of that place for many days. Then you get rescued. You reach this land, Italia. You don't finish you go, they put you for camp. First of all, they put you for prison for near the sea. They take, before they transfer, they go camp. They put you for camp. You go commission. First of all, you go report yourself to the Questora. After Questora, you go commission. The commission, maybe they accept, maybe not. Many people, they don't accept their request for commission. They give them negative. They give me negative before me, I cry. Why? You don't like me? Why you give me negative? You don't like, because I come here. Still, they provide lawyer for me. Why some people, they get straight positive document. Maybe 1 year or 2 years. Me, they give me negative. Me, I cry. They give me 6 months. 6 months sojourner. Tell me after 6 months, no more. Me, what I need to do? I need to pray. I say, God, you saved me from desert, water, everything. I come here. Okay, they give me negative now. They give me 6 months. After 6 months, if I don't get positive answer, basta. Finish. You understand? So, that's last. They come, I can't go to tribunal, that's court. I go court. When I take my distance, my negative, give lawyer, they call me for court. I go again for court. I go talk. They ask me to repeat what I talk that they don't understand. You get me? Me, I still repeat because I still get my brain. I know what I tell them. I don't change. I still tell them, say, this is the problem. This is how I feel. I don't like it that way. I want you to change. They asked me, how do you want us to help you? I said, the only way you can help me is to free me by giving me a document. A reliable document. I can work for myself. I have my talent. I have my strength. I get my power. I know what I'm going to do when you talk of work. Yeah, because if they don't give me that positive document, me, I don't go get positive work. Contract, no. House contract, no. Work contract, no. I'll be like wasted this on the street. So I need that document. Finally, God, now they give me the document. I dey camp. As the camp they finish, camp they finish. Me, I go lecture. I don't do introduction, practical. We first do a training for this work, this area. I can't do practical. You understand? Project they finish and they come out. They call me back for that place where I do practical. They say they like my work. That is why I come back. So I put my mind for that work. Why? Not with the money first, me I think. I think to learn the work. Make I know how they do things. Do things how they work.
Because you maybe that money something no.
If I sabi, I will do by myself. Because if I go there now, I don't know this work. I say money. By the time they ask you, okay, before we give you such money, you know how to do this thing? You don't know. Okay, you expect 1,000 or 2,000 payment, and you don't know the work. Nobody will give you such money. But if you know the work, you merit to pay 2,000 euros, 1,500 euros, even more. You understand what I mean? So you put your mind for the work to learn. Maybe not be there they will pay you big money. If you learn, you go other places where they need that person. When you know the work, it's like school. We come learn all the things. Our travel from desert was at school. The camp we do now school. Now learning. You need to learn something. You learn something, you do something. Listen and learn. You get me? Listen, look. Because when you look with your eye, you know what it is. When I look in my red jacket, you wear. Because I didn't look in. But if I close my eye, I don't know whether it's my red jacket you wear. I feel see your what they call a shadow, but I don't know the color.
But maybe me talk, you know the name.
You know, I'm not saying that you talk, but I don't know what you wear. So when you see, I see you.
You know.
Even before you talk, I know say you wear the jacket. You get me? That one. With your eyes, you can see. With your ear, you can hear and learn. And when you learn and you put to practice, you do one. Talk something.
This Europe is like man. You are black, you are black.
Yes. You don't say we be black.
Me, I don't go fear you. Me, I don't go fear Aboki. I don't go fear me. You don't fear me. You understand me? Sometimes the person will do something. You understand me? Bro, don't be no good. This one, tranquilo. No be I think what is the apple? No, this road is not good. You understand me? It's not good. You understand me?
But man, I tell you something.
Me, I want to tell you. Wait, I will tell you. It's not good. Because I need. If me, I don't do something not good, when you tell me this one, I don't do. It's not good. I'm supposed to know. Because you don't tell me no.
Okay. Thank you. You talk that way.
This one,
you say if you didn't do something not good, this one makes you eternal. Wait, cool down. When somebody tell you something you do, you know good, you get angry, you vex, you insult people, you tell them you don't be speaking.
Listen.
Because you don't want to listen.
Listen.
Somebody want to listen, you know they learn.
Listen, Alpha.
Somebody, you know listen, you know they learn. You get me? Yeah, if you listen to what they talk and you see with your eye, sometimes even when you don't see, you listen to it. With your spiritual mind, you will know that this is not true. With your brain, you never see now. You listen. Okay, just like as you say, you talk now, I don't say you talk. I don't say this one is your voice. but I don't see you. But I don't see that you talk. The only thing I don't see are the clothes where you wear. You get me? Because if I see you, I don't see that you wear. But you talk, I don't see that you. Yes. So when I see you now, this is this cloth, now you wear.
When they hear what they talk.
The ear, the eye, everything they walk, no matter. So that I tell this man, don't talk anyhow.
No.
Italian, they say, Porco Dio, don't follow them.
Liban.
That
one no matter.
Yeah. Everybody, don't follow them. If they say, Castle, Afraculo, don't talk that one. Learn good things.
No fight is gay.
Learn good
That
things.
is what I'm saying. No
Get
fight.
me?
No go talk.
Like you now, me, I never hear you say, Porco Dio, get Castle. This man, we talk like that.
No fight, no go talk. They are cool.
No fight for talk.
No go talk. What is that? Because no go talk.
Yes, you go talk. Why they talk? If you talk, talk well. No talk anyhow.
No they talk about fight.
No talk anyhow.
If I don't
Big castle for a Frankula, you know what matter.
No be you. Me finance.
No, if somebody tell somebody tell Frankula,
Talk to me.
let her go.
I said, if I don't do what, say, I'm not going. So finish, talk to me. What is
That one is the
Not that one, okay.
that one is the
You know the listing. You know the listing. Okay, now. This man, boy, he tell you something. You see, you tell
you say move the boy, United. You see me do something.
Okay, this
not to
man.
me.
Okay, now.
They see you something.
No white man here. Even white men, they come here to come and greet us. We open door for them. We come and preach for you, or you come and salute you. You understand? They will go. If me am wicked, I don't want anybody around me, you don't go come my house. Him too no go come. You understand what I mean? Me, I was saying I dey Europe. I don't need anybody. I don't come off Africa. Me, I dey here. You don't need anything rubbish or anything nonsense. You get me? But my guy, you don't be like that. You don't be saying if you don't come here now, me I no go fit pay for house, me I stay alone. I go fit. But I be the kind of person. If it's good for me, it's not good for you. If I rich, you poor. I no be rich man. I be the poor man. I get money and I enjoy. I drive big car, live big house. I do okay. And people around, if they manage, they beg, they find where they go sleep, they find where they go eat, they find how they go take, make money and help their family. And me, I come up high. I'm not a big man.
No. One day they come you die.
Yes, because when I die, I leave all these things. And when I die, everybody will rush.
But you can help our people.
So if you get,
God, they help you.
yes, that is not the God. If you get, you know what you need to do, we need to do. When you get, look for somebody who needs help. Okay, now you get your eye, you see somebody, you try to come up. Okay, let me use the example now. This one now, hold. Many people they inside. Somebody they try to come out and bring the hand. You know if you come out and you stand, they look out. They come out and you know say, he know if you come out, he needs your help. Because they come out.
They come, they look out.
If they look out, they come out. If they try to come out, and if he do more than that, he will fall. What you need to do, give her a hand, bring her out, leave her. There, you go tell them, many people dey inside that place. You come, that is unity. Let us bring those people out. One that I bring, you bring. Anybody, if I bring you out, you bring somebody out. Somebody bring me out, somebody, that is the unity.
Black,
that is the unity.
The black, what? What? United. The black of the place. You better not like unity. You say, this is not Nigeria. No, unity. No, be Catholic. You there with me, I there with you.
Yes.
They need you. Oh, I did. Yeah. If they need you, I did. This guy they need me, I did. I did that.
Another one.
Unity, no be
Hey,
Catholic.
person,
Now this one.
you help me. You may help
This one.